Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing, or kind of an unbagging and review. These are the SERISIMPLE bamboo socks here. Let's see what these are all about. This little bag here. Comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors. So here we have a few pairs here. Pretty nice, pretty soft actually. It's supposed to be nice and breathable. All right, let's actually just test one of these guys out. Wow, so these are ankle socks, obviously. Pretty stretchy. You can see it's got a lot of things stretch to it there. Oh yeah, so if you have like wide feet or whatever, this is gonna fit on pretty nice here. Let's just actually just go ahead and try this on, shall we? All right, so just kind of slip these on. They're actually super comfortable. Look, still got a ton of room in here. Nice and soft and super breathable. Since this is made out of bamboo too, it should be fairly resistant to like smells and things like that, allowing the air to get in there too, so it's not going to trap it and make it all weird like the polyesters are more like a plastic kind of thing, not like less fabricy, I guess, if that's a way to say it. But yeah, these are super nice and comfortable socks here. Seems like there'll be a nice little fit, super stretchy, like you can see. So plenty of room there if you got wider feet or maybe need to stretch them out a little bit. So these come in a bunch of different sizes. I mean, large and extra large, but as far as like, you can get the ankle socks if you don't like them coming up or all the way up your leg or the calf length or whatever. So yeah, nice different options there, but very cozy and comfortable. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.